ErgoWalk 3D sandals were marketed as a revolutionary leap in footwear with a 3D printed lattice structure designed to reduce foot stress. I ordered 2 pairs in black and gray to see if they are any good. I was impressed with sleek visuals of the sandals' futuristic design on their website. The sandals actually look pretty good for a 3D printed product. I ordered a size 9, which aligns with my usual footwear sizing. But slipping into the ErgoWalk felt like stepping into clown shoes. They were oversized, with my feet sliding around inside them. I double-checked the box and the sandals themselves. They are size 9. Either the sizing chart is wildly off or the manufacturing process missed the mark. I wore the sandals for a day around the house, and they are not more comfortable than my Crocs. The lattice design seemed more like a gimmick than a functional innovation. At $129, the ErgoWalk 3D sandals are priced in the same league as premium sandals from established brands like Teva or Chaco. These feel like an overpriced experiment from an office furniture company. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.